Hello and welcome to our video about the solar system. The solar system is a collection of 8 planets, dwarf planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other celestial bodies that orbit around the Sun. In this video, we will take you on a tour of our solar system, exploring each of its fascinating components. Let's start with the Sun, which is the center of our solar system. The Sun is a massive ball of hot gas that provides light and heat to all the planets in the solar system. It is not just a ball of hot gas, it is also a dynamic, ever-changing entity. The Sun has a complex magnetic field that can lead to the formation of sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections. These events can have a significant impact on Earth's magnetic field and can cause power outages and disruptions in satellite communications. It is approximately 109 times larger than the Earth and is responsible for 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. Next, we have the 8 planets, which are divided into 2 categories: the inner planets and the outer planets. The inner planets, also known as the rocky planets, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These planets are smaller and closer to the Sun than the outer planets. They have a solid, rocky surface and a dense core. The outer planets, also known as gas giants, are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are much larger and farther away from the Sun than the inner planets. They have a gaseous surface and a less dense core. Moving on to the planets, let's take a closer look at Earth. Our planet is the only one known to support life, and it is also the only planet with liquid water on its surface. Earth's atmosphere protects us from harmful solar radiation and allows us to breathe, and its magnetic field shields us from the solar wind. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and has over 79 known moons. It also has the most massive magnetic field on any planet, which creates intense radiation belts that can be hazardous to spacecraft. Saturn is known for its stunning rings, which are made up of billions of individual pieces of ice and rock. The rings are so large that if they were spread out flat, they would cover an area larger than the distance between Earth and the Moon. Uranus and Neptune are both ice giants, meaning they have a large icy mantle surrounding a small rocky core. These planets have extreme seasons, with each pole experiencing over 20 years of continuous sunlight and darkness during their long orbits around the Sun. Moving on to the dwarf planets, let's take a closer look at Pluto. Although it is no longer classified as a planet, Pluto is still a fascinating world. It has 5 known moons, and its surface is covered in frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Despite its small size, Pluto has a complex atmosphere that can create dramatic weather patterns, such as nitrogen snow and methane rain. Finally, let's talk about comets. These icy objects travel through the solar system, leaving a trail of gas and dust behind them. When a comet passes close to the Sun, the heat causes the ice to vaporize, creating a bright coma and a tail that can stretch for millions of kilometers. In conclusion, a solar system is an incredible place with an incredible array of celestial objects. From the massive Sun to the tiny comets, there is so much to explore and learn about in our solar system. Thank you for watching this video about the solar system. We hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.